Thanks for choosing RoofRight for your upcoming project. Whether you're getting a new roof, siding, windows, or doors, this video will walk you through what to expect and how to prepare for a smooth installation experience. Once your project materials arrive at our warehouse, or it's been verified that our vendor partners have received them at their location, our production team will reach out to schedule your installation. Even if there aren't any major updates along the way, you're still going to be hearing from us. We're big on communication and keeping you in the loop. There are a few simple things you can do ahead of time to help keep your home and our crews safe when it comes time to install. Clear your driveway. Materials are usually delivered the day before your project starts, and they'll need some space, so please move any vehicles or equipment that might be in the way. Attached garages are typically blocked by dump trucks or trailers during the project. If you'll need to use your card, please make sure it's parked somewhere it won't be blocked in.
In our line of work, weather is a huge determining factor in project scheduling. Rest assured, our crews are closely monitoring the forecast and will wait until the last possible moment before making the decision to postpone a project. If a delay is necessary due to weather conditions, you can expect to receive a notification on the morning of your scheduled project informing you of any changes.
Mowing your yard and cleaning up pet droppings prior to us starting the project will seriously help our team with their cleanup efforts. Short grass allows our magnets to pass lower to the ground, and it makes other debris more visible for cleanup. Depending on your type of project, here are a few more tips for preparation. For siding projects, on installation day, please turn off your outdoor HVAC units. We'll be covering them to prevent dust and debris from getting inside while we work. Also, consider removing interior wall decor, things like photos or artwork, because there's going to be a lot of hammering and vibrations that could knock those things loose. For skylight replacements, it's a good idea to move furniture and place a dust cover below the opening. We're more than happy to provide and place one if you'd prefer. For roofing projects, on the day of installation, please turn off your outdoor HVAC units. We'll be covering them up to prevent dust and debris from getting inside. If possible, please move your patio furniture and outdoor items away from the house. Our crews will be tarping around the home, but falling debris can be unpredictable, especially around glass tables or expensive grills. It's also recommended to cover any items that you may have stored in your attic, as it's unavoidable to prevent debris from falling into the attic or area below the roof deck. This includes garages without ceilings. Before work begins, your job site manager will introduce themselves. This will be your go-to person during the installation. They'll also be happy to help if you need to coordinate leaving or entering your home throughout the day. For most jobs, you do not need to be home. However, for projects like windows and doors, someone must be present so we can safely access the inside of the home. While work is in progress, please be cautious when entering or exiting your home. Falling debris and sharp materials can pose a serious risk, so don't hesitate to ask our crew for assistance. If the entryway you're trying to use is blocked by debris, please contact your project manager prior to use to ensure this area is safe and clear for foot traffic. If you know you're going to be in and out as we're working, please contact your project manager to assign a specific entryway to keep clear for the duration of the project. Within a few days of your project being completed, your project manager is going to return for a RoofRight quality assurance check. This is our way of making sure that our work meets our high standards, and it allows us to capture very clean, completed photos that are later going to be shared with you. They'll also be sure to collect any remaining materials on site and do one final cleanup sweep of the property. We are so excited to be bringing your vision to life, and we truly appreciate your trust in RoofRight. If you have any questions before, during, or after your project, feel free to reach out at 410-374-5923. Thanks. We'll see you soon.